Onions are one of the most commonly used vegetables in the world. They are used in almost every cuisine due to their unique flavor and taste. However, apart from being a tasty addition to meals, onions also offer a range of health benefits that make them an excellent food choice for men. In this video, we will discuss some of the most significant benefits of eating heart health. Onions are known to be rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help in reducing the risk of heart disease. They also contain sulfur compounds that help in reducing the risk of blood clots, which can cause heart attacks and strokes. Onions are also believed to help in regulating cholesterol levels in the body, which is a significant contributor to heart disease. Regular consumption of onions can help in improving heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Immune system. Onions are loaded with vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. They are a rich source of vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. Onions also contain phytochemicals that have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent food choice for men who want to strengthen their immune system. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Onions are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help in reducing inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of onions can help in managing inflammation and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 4. Enhances digestive health. Onions contain prebiotic fibers that help in promoting the growth of good bacteria in the gut. These fibers also help in improving digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Onions are also rich in sulfur compounds that help in detoxifying the liver and improving liver function, which is essential for maintaining overall digestive health. Number 5. Promotes bone health. Onions are a rich source of quercetin, a flavonoid that has been shown to help in reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and brittle. Regular consumption of onions can help in promoting bone health and reducing the risk of bone-related diseases. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Onions are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them an excellent food choice for men who are looking to regulate their blood sugar levels. The fiber in onions helps in slowing down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream, which prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that help in improving insulin sensitivity, which is essential for managing blood sugar levels. Number 7. Prevents cancer. Onions contain organosulfur compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds help in preventing the growth and spread of cancer cells, making onions an excellent food choice for men who want to reduce their risk of developing cancer. Onions are particularly beneficial in reducing the risk of colon and stomach cancer. Number 8. Enhances brain function. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to have neuroprotective properties. This means that quercetin can help in protecting the brain from damage and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Regular consumption of onions can help in enhancing brain function and improving memory and cognitive function.